Have you heard of the three brothers who revolutionized science over 1,000 years ago? Let me introduce you to the Banu Musa brothers. In the 9th century, the Islamic Golden Age was in full swing. Baghdad was a center of knowledge, home to the House of Wisdom, where three brilliant brothers, Mohammed, Ahmed and Al-Hasan, made their mark. Meet the Banu Musa brothers. Mohammed, the eldest, known for his work in astronomy. Ahmad, a master of mechanics, and Al-Hasan, the mathematician. Together, they were unstoppable. They invented machines way ahead of their time. From self-moving devices to intricate water fountains, their work on mechanics and automata inspired future engineers. In astronomy, they calculated the Earth's circumference and mapped the stars. Their mathematical knowledge helped unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. And guess what? The Banu Musa brothers preserved knowledge from the ancient Greeks, translating the works of Euclid, Archimedes, and more. Without them, some of this knowledge might have been lost forever. So next time you hear about scientific inventions, remember the Banu Musa brothers, the pioneers who paved the way for the future over 1,000 years ago. Like, follow and repost for more historical facts.